Hello, in this video I will be reviewing the CCI Filter Levels indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the CCI indicator where we have the same CCI line as the main line here, and we can set two trigger levels for it with different colors for both positive and negative zones. When the CCI value exceeds the positive trigger level, it is shown in green. When the CCI falls below the negative trigger level, it is shown.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
In red. When it has a positive value and is between 0 and the positive trigger level, it is displayed in light blue. And when it has a negative value and is between 0 and the negative trigger level, it is shown in yellow. Also, whenever there are changes from the 0 point or from the trigger level points, those changing candles are displayed in gray. Additionally, buy and sell signals are shown here with green and red circles, which appear in the trigger level zones that we specify in the input. There is another display mode as well, which is in the form of a histogram, and we can set that in the input. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the CCI indicator period. The next option is the price on which the calculations are performed. The next option is the trigger level for the positive mode, and the following option is the trigger level for the negative mode. The next option is the critical level, which is used for alerts. Here we can enter a value so that when it reaches this value or the negative of this value, an alert will be triggered for us. The next option is the histogram mode, which is currently disabled. If we enable it as a histogram, it will display all of these for us in histogram form. The next option is for alerts. If it is enabled, we have the other alerts as well, and depending on whether they are in phase, they will be triggered. But if this option is set to phase, then the others don't matter what value they have. We won't have any alerts. The next option is for an alert when reaching the critical level. If it is enabled, an alert will be triggered when the critical level is reached. The next option is for the 0 line. If an upward cross occurs, it will trigger an alert for us. The next option triggers an alert when there is a downward cross of the 0 line. The next option is for the upper trigger level, which issues an alert when there is an upward cross. The next option is again for the upper trigger level, but this time it issues a sell alert when there is a downward cross. The next option, if enabled, is for the lower and negative trigger level, which issues a buy signal when there is an upward cross. And the last option is for an alert on the lower and negative trigger level and a downward breakout, which also issues a sell signal if enabled. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.